purple color, sky blue color, red color, black color, green color, light green color, yellow color, light pink color, brown color, green color, orange color, and blue color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. And first we draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for car. D for door. E for egg. F for fish. G for God. H for hand. I for eyes. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for quill. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zoo. It's now you draw numbers. And first we draw 1. O-N-E 1. 2 T-W-O 2. 3 T-H-R-W 3. 4 F-O-U-R 4. 5 F-I-V 5.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
7
W, X, Y, and Z.
Eight.
Next time, won't you
Eight.
sing with me?
Nine.
A,
N-I-N-E.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R.
White color, brown color, black color, silver color, purple color, sky blue color, light green color, yellow color, pink color, blue color, light pink color, red color, green color, and orange color. So kids, now I draw A and use orange color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. Kids, now I draw D and use purple color. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. Kids, now I draw H and use black color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. Kids, now I draw K and use light green color. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now I draw O and use yellow color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now I draw R and use brown color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now I draw V and use green color. V for van. W for whale. X for Xmas tree. Kids, now I draw Y and use sky blue color. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zap. Black color, silver color, yellow color, brown color, blue color, white color, light green color, orange color, purple color, green color, light pink color, red color, sky blue color, and purple color. So kids, now you draw 1 and use purple color. 1, 2, 3. Kids, now you draw 4 and use green color. 4, 5, 6. Kids, now you draw 7 and use orange color. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Kids, now you draw 11 and use light pink color. Sorry kids, light green color. 11, 12, 13. So kids, now you draw 14 and use blue color. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So kids, now you draw 19 and use red color. 19, 20, 21, 22. Kids, now you draw 23 and use light pink color. 23, 24, 25. Kids, now you draw 26 and use yellow color. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.